What's going on, everybody? It's Mike, Real Low Dad. It is 2024, and what does that mean? Oh, it's new beginnings. We're cleaning the slate with things because I don't know about you, but my 2023 kind of sucked from health standpoint, physical, little bit of mental, the lawn. So to kick off 2024, what did I do? Well, I quit my job. Yeah, big change there. Oh boy, lots of excitement, emotion, and uncertainty with that. But it is what it is. That was part of this. So that is gone. That is forever and forgotten. So along with that, there's a lot of other new stuff, mainly this little guy right here. Oh yeah, that's a Toro GrandStand. Who would have thought Real Low Dad would have a Toro GrandStand? Well, I do now. It's not really mine. It's my son for his lawn business. But in honor of 2024 and clean slates, I've partnered with the one and only superclean, and we're going to be kicking this year off with a giveaway, so stay tuned later to find out how you can win your own little superclean kit to keep your equipment top notch. But we're going to be getting that Toro GrandStand all cleaned up, all ready to go and fresh for Connor's 2024 mowing season. And here in the coming weeks, we're going to talk about what we're doing back here with, I guess, my new endeavor. So let's hop over to that GrandStand. So here's this new to us GrandStand in all its glory. Look at this. Oh, it's an absolute beauty, but it does need a little bit of tender love and care, that TLC. Oh, we're going to be putting a waterfall over that here in just a moment. But there's some icky with this, a lot of ick. Not nearly as much as what you'll find in the dating scene these days, but there is still a good amount of ick, and mainly around that hydro tank. The hydraulic reserve tank is what I want you to pay attention on today. That's my focus, because it is nasty, it is dirty, and we're gonna make her clean. So kicking things off here, I have my super clean. I have the original formula, I have the foaming formula, and then while I didn't use it in this video today, the aerosol foam is my all-time personal favorite. I just absolutely love it. We're gonna start with just your normal super clean, the regular stuff, the good stuff. I like using this on any surface that's not too heavily soiled or just, just needs a little bit of love. And so, spritzing that on, a gentle little scrub down, not too rough, not too soft, just right. You know what I'm talking about. And we get that, then we rinse it away and the grime is gone. You can't ask for anything better at all, ever. Oh, but what's that there though? Ooh, that's the dirty. That's that hydro tank housing all the hydraulic fluid for this GrandStand. And man, what am I going to use for that? Well, I'm using the super clean foam. That's exactly what I'm going to use. And why am I going to use that? Because it is absolutely perfect for vertical surfaces where I need that extra cleaning power to stay clung to the sides to help break down that built up grimy grease and get that thing looking, so special and new. And look at this. You can't get that anywhere else. That's 100% super clean, and that's why I love working with them, because they get everything I have clean, but actually super clean with minimal effort on my part. And that's kind of where I was last year with the robot mowers, minimal effort on my part, and that continues with super clean. And now, with the GrandStand completely cleaned up, look how good it looks. This was only probably 25-30 minutes worth of work. My son doing a good portion of it after, but everything's clean. It got it good, got it better than where it was for a quick 25 to 30 minute clean. This GrandStand is going to be a workhorse this summer and will be maintained entirely with the super clean products from a cleaning standpoint. But yeah, so now, how do you go about getting your own to make sure your equipment looks this good this year? Well, that's easy. All I want you to do is drop a comment down below saying, hey, Mike, Give me the super clean and tell me what you're gonna clean. Now here's the important part. Keep it family friendly. I try to think that I'm a family friendly channel. If you know me in real life, you know that's true. So let me know what you're gonna use it for down below. And then 1 week from the date of this video going live, I will have another video. It'll probably be a YouTube short. No, probably not, because the shorts are too short now that they did the TikTok where they wanted under 60 seconds, but now TikTok wants over 10 minutes. No, whatever. But I'll do another video where we're gonna draw it. It might be a live video, whatever it is. But drop your name down below because you're gonna get a sweet super clean kit to keep all your stuff super clean. So with that, it's Mike, unemployed, real low dad. Am I unemployed? I don't know. But yeah. We got a lot of stuff coming back here this year. It's gonna be great. Thank you all for watching. Love you all. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that.